Hello, namaste, and welcome to Behki Baate podcast. So there's something very special today.
Yes, we are starting a new journey.
Yes.
This is the Passionate series
Yes.
that we are starting at Becky Bate podcast.
So what's Passionate series, Rusbe?
Basically, it is a podcast for people who follow their passion or who are hesitant to follow their passion. So the idea of this podcast is to get guests over who have followed their passion or who are still following their passion. And it is for them to share their story.
Correct.
Maybe it could be a source of inspiration for a lot of you listening out there. And, क्योंकि a lot of times in life, we feel that this... like it's not the right time
Right time,
now,
correct.
and we are waiting for the right time. But
Yeah. But we never know. You don't know, right? Ki right time, what is it?
maybe this
Yeah.
is the right time.
Yes, correct.
Unless you try it out, you never know what's the
Yeah.
right time.
So we have one person out here with us. We have a very special guest who is following his passion with his career. And he is, so let's welcome Agastya Chandra.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
Agastya.
Hi,
How are
guys.
you?
Good. How are you? Oh,
Agastya,
Whistle.
welcome. वैसे Agastya में I would like to introduce Agastya also. Agastya is a very talented performer, and I say performer because he dances like a bomb. मतलब बहुत, he's an amazing dancer. Along with that, he also continuously engages himself in development. So he's done what is that thing? वो athletics? No, I don't know what.
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Gymnastics. he because I used to see his video, or like this used to happen to me. And sorry, we are trying to keep this podcast in English, but I'm so
So
naturally
Hindi is coming out.
Nikalo.
Hindi comes naturally. So basically, I used to see Varun Dhawan's video on
Yeah.
Instagram practicing gymnastic, doing that. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? What is that
Flip.
round?
Backflip.
Backflip and all
Oh,
those
you
flips.
know how to do a backflip.
I was learning. I was doing it, but
Okay.
then it got kind of stopped midway. But I think I
Okay.
can.
But
So
I
I-
saw him doing it
Yeah.
a couple of times on
Anyway,
Instagram.
there's a
Little bit
lot to talk in this series. So before that, we would like to thank our sponsors, Inspire Media Works. Thank you for shooting this video and many other real estate videos where they are booming in that field.
Yeah, so if you have to get your video done for a real estate, your property, or if you're a real estate agent and you're looking for videos, get in touch with Inspire Media Works. Their link is in the description.
Yeah, we
You
will put
can-
the contact details there
Yeah.
as well.
And also other videos, your business promo videos, if you are, because 2020 is such a year where you need some boost, some marketing boost. So I think videos is the best way of getting in touch with your customer. So get in touch with Inspire Media Works and they'll sort you out. मिलते हैं एक छोटे से break के बाद. We'll go on a break and
Yes.
we'll see you right there.
वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द शॉर्ट ब्रेक रश्मि हमेशा मेरी तरफ देख के तो ऐसे क्यों करता है
No, I was just checking whether you're going to start or not, because
Okay,
you're
I
always
start.
like complaining कि I want to start. You want to
whatever
start.
so I don't want to fight in front of a guest so
Oh, by the way,
Agastya, yeah.
by the way, welcome to Becky Bate podcast. I am Rusbe.
And I'm Devika and we have a wonderful guest over here Agastya.
वेलकम
Namaste.
अगस्त्या. थोड़ी तेरी आवाज नहीं सुनी हमने अब तक यार.
Namaste. Thank you for having me. I'm a bit nervous, but
अरे
Oh,
नर्वस
okay,
नहीं
fine.
होने का यार इट्स ओके चिल में
मतलब ये बात
Chill,
कर
chill.
सकती है तो यार मतलब
दैट इज सो
I'm
मीन
just breaking ice यार. Ice breaker है मेरा.
but thank you for that amazing introduction. Huh? Check. I'll send a check to your home.
Oh, thank you, thank
there's
you.
still
Yes.
some more introduction left so Agastya just because अभी break पे जाने से पहले we gave a little introduction about you but we want you to tell something more about yourself because I think you and Rusbe have met I think 2 years ago
Dara, yeah.
yeah
Yes.
in
We did their
Dara
first play.
yes so their
Prayas.
first play was together but I'm pretty new to you
Yeah.
so I want to know more about you
Okay.
yeah
So
so like other than
So
dancing
ये यहाँ पे हो गया है प्रोफेशनल इंटरव्यू शुरू. Tell us something about yourself.
प्रोफेशनल इंटरव्यू की बात नहीं तो चिल में रहना मुझे बस लाइक बिकॉज यू आर अ डांसर कोरियोग्राफर टीवी एक्टिंग भी की है आपने तो लाइक कौन सा टीवी सीरियल है जो आपने एक्टिंग की
मैं बोलता हूँ I will say
सो द इंटरव्यू आई मीन आई एम टॉकिंग टू द गेस्ट आई एम टॉकिंग टू द गेस्ट बट
Okay,
यू आर
okay, go ahead.
अच्छा तो मेरा नाम है अगस्त्य.
Yeah.
So I came to New Zealand when I was about 9. So most of my life I've lived here. Recently I've come back from Mumbai. I moved there about 1.5 years back. So, like you mentioned, I did a TV show called Tara from Satara, which aired on
okay.
Sony TV. So, I had quite a nice, fun role in that.
Fun
so,
role,
that was a
okay.
very nice experience. I got to learn a lot about how the industry works, how people work there. And yeah, I feel it's helped me grow as a person as well.
Person.
And I think
Okay.
adding on to that, you also did some like a small bit in Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas as well, right?
Yeah, that was fun because I was just a 1-day shoot, and yeah, I was just in Juhu. I had to go there, just shoot a small scene, and come back.
So I think I want to take our listeners back to your journey. So Agastya, born in India, brought up in New Zealand, in Auckland, majorly. So you, by the sounds of it, you have been back to Bombay and you've worked your way up over there.
Right.
What got you inclined to Bollywood, being in New Zealand? Because I know a few people who have been brought up here, like, similar age, and they are very glued to the Kiwi culture or New Zealand. So what kept you rooted to India, rooted to Bollywood?
Basically, in year 8, till year 8, I wasn't that big of a movie fan or movie buff. Like, I was just going around about like doing, but I saw this guy called Shahid Kapoor, right? And I saw this dude dance, and I saw this guy act, and I saw this, just the way he looked, everything. I got heavily inspired at that age by Shahid Kapoor, and I just wanted to be Shahid Kapoor. I started to grow my hair. I started learning dancing. It all started with me trying to become like Shahid Kapoor. And from that, I used to watch all his movies back to back. I used to come home from school every day, put on Chance Pe Dance, Dil Bole Dippa. At that time, I didn't even know if movies hit kya, flop kya, and I just loved watching him. And I learned so much by watching him. And then that got me inclined towards watching more Hindi movies.
Oh, okay.
And then I started getting interested in more and more actors and more films. And that's when I started to learn how to dance as well. It all started with trying to be like him. And then it
Wow,
evolved into,
That's
trying
so
to find who I
nice,
am as
yeah.
a person, not trying to just be someone else. So,
And
yeah.
I think the point that you said that right now, Shahid Kapoor, I can actually see glimpse of Shahid Kapoor now in you because
yeah.
the way he dances.
Yeah.
I've seen your few dance videos. Kafi amazing dance videos karta hai
thank
Agastya
you,
YouTube
thank
pe bhi. And the Jhingat dance that you have done. कहीं ना कहीं the energy is the शाहिद का जो बचपन का शाहिद था ना that
बचपन का शाहिद क्या होता
अरे
है?
मतलब
The young.
the young
I
शाहिद.
got you.
You know which was his first one? वो-
Ishq, Ishq.
इश्क में.
No, the dance video that he did with Shamak
Aankhon
Da.
mein.
Aankhon mein.
Oh, yeah, but उसमें डांस नहीं. But yeah, now I can relate that क्योंकि तेरा हेयर स्टाइल थोड़ा बहुत मुझे
हाँ.
अभी वैसे लग रहा है. Yes.
Thank you. Check पहुंचा दूंगा.
No,
I'm gonna follow up on that check. After
वो
the
मेरे नाम पे है.
तो क्या प्लीज मेरे
Okay.
नाम पे.
Split हो जाए.
Okay.
बहुत पैसे नहीं.
Anyway, so we have touched what got you in, and I
Yeah.
think I can absolutely relate to that because when I was growing up, तभी जैसे तेरे टाइम पे शाहिद का था, तो अपना जनरेशन थोड़ा गैप है ना. मेरे टाइम पे शाहरुख था वैसा. तो आई ग्रू अप शाहरुख को देख के, तो इसलिए मैं ऐसे बात पे ऐसे हाथ फैला देता हूँ.
शाहरुख के तो सभी फैन है.
बहुत जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी लेकिन उसने मेरी यार.
अरे
अरे ऐसा नहीं.
क्यों जिंदगी
हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं, प्यार भी एक बार.
एक बार
तो
होता
तूने
है.
उसका करियर एडवाइस नहीं लिए पर उसके डायलॉग वाले एडवाइस ले
वही
लिए.
ना.
तो अगस्त्य टेल मी लाइक करियर वाइज आई एम श्योर तूने एक्टिंग यू फॉलोड योर पैशन. सो व्हाट वर यू एक्चुअली डूइंग बिफोर लाइक स्टडीज में आपने क्या किया?
So, obviously, schooling, I studied from Auckland Grammar
Yeah.
High School, where we did Cambridge. And from there, I was more inclined towards accounting and business.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So from there, I finished my year 13. I did Bachelor of Commerce
Yeah.
from University of Auckland.
Yeah.
So I did a double major in accounting and commercial law.
Oh, wow.
And I did a bit of finance as well.
Yeah.
And maths and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was always folling my like academics and my
Yeah.
arts like interests
Together.
side by side. So that's how I've.
So because it's a passionate series and people like you, like with the career, they are trying to suit all the balance रख रहे अपनी लाइफ में. तो वो like was it difficult like because see as an Indian parent, मतलब मेरे parents को अगर मैं अब जाके बोलूँ ना कि मेरे को acting या dancing में जाना है, they will be like shock हो जाएंगे.
Yeah.
I think what Devika wants to get
Yeah.
at is so you moved to Bombay
1.5 years back.
One and a half years back. And
Yeah.
what was your age then?
I was 22.
You were 22.
22 and a
now,
half, yeah.
At that age, usually Indian parents are concerned about कि career क्या होगा,
career का क्या
job
होगा.
क्या करेगा,
Yeah.
this and that. How should I put it? Was it a struggle for you to convince your parents, or how was the experience?
Initially, when I decided I wanted to be an actor at 14, when I was in year 8. So for 6 years, like, like I've been telling my parents and everyone, and they're like, "Ha, yeah, bachpan hai." He's just saying it now, later.
Yeah.
Like they didn't think I was too serious about it. But then later on, when I was, really pushing on to that, I want to do this. I'm really passionate about this. It did. Obviously, it happens. Like there was initial struggle. I tried to explain to them, and
yeah.
obviously because see, there's a generation gap. So the way they've been brought up, the things that they have been taught is very different to kind of like how we think.
Yeah.
So just coming on that center line does take time. But I think after they saw me perform in First World Problems, which was after Dara, it was
Yes.
right after Dara.
Oh, okay.
So they were like, they really loved that.
जा बेटे, जी ले अपनी
Yeah, so
जिंदगी.
they were like, but
Yes.
I've got to say, my
Yeah.
parents have been very supportive. Like, I am privileged, and I'm so lucky to have parents like them, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have been able to go on to Mumbai or even try to pursue my dream. I know how big of a privilege it is to do that,
True.
because everyone has to work hard, and only the lucky people can even try to go and follow their dreams. And if I didn't have their backing and their support, and I really love them, and I'm very grateful that they supported me the amount that they
Yeah.
have.
I think support is a very important thing.
Couldn't have done it
Yeah.
if they
And
didn't support
I
me.
have personally seen what you did in First World Problems, and this is we'll take.
You
our,
were not
our,
in First World Problems, huh?
I was not. I was
Okay,
not.
so for
part-
our audience,
yeah.
let's tell them what
Okay.
is First
So-
World Problems and Dara.
Okay.
So
They
basically,
want the background.
yeah. So basically, where Agastya and I met, it was Prayas. It's a theatre company in Auckland.
Yep.
And basically, it was started by migrants, like migrants who would come here.
Amit uncle.
Amit
and
uncle.
Sudeep.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
they were missing India, and they were like, India is not about butter chicken, bhangra,
Yeah.
and one more B. What
Blah.
was- no, no, there's one more B. And Bollywood. Yeah,
Bollywood.
It's not just about Bollywood, bhangra, and
Butter
close.
chicken.
butter chicken. There's something more to it, and there's this stereotype that India always comes with. And I think that's why they always focus on something which is very authentic to the sub-Asian, the culture that is rooted within,
Yeah.
which is not highlighted so far. So
Exactly.
that's the theatre group that we were part of initially with Dara, and Dara
Yeah.
was a story जिसका remake, जिसका
अभी
picture बनने वाला है.
करण
बनने
जोहर
वाला
बनाने
है
वाला है तख्त.
Takht.
Takht,
So it's
yeah.
based
So-
on Dara Shikoh and Aurangzeb.
Yeah. So basically, when we were performing for Dara, Karan Johar was in the audience.
Yeah. Karan Johar, he saw our Instagram and our
Yeah, he just saw
promotion.
us and he's like,
"ये story
ये
बहुत
मतलब
अच्छी है."
स्टोरी ले ली, एक्टर्स को नहीं लिया. ये क्या बात हुई तुम लोग में?
I think उसने शाइस्ता खान देख लिया होगा.
so वो नहीं, but jokes apart, but I think जब आप तक देखोगे, you will see that play was done in New Zealand. ऐसे plays हम यहाँ पे करते हैं, प्रयास लेकर आता है जो शायद इंडिया में भी ना हो. I think which is a privilege for us to be a part.
Yeah.
And after that, they did another series which was First World Problems.
It was in with Agaran Productions as well.
Yes.
It was Ahi's company. as
Ahi's
well,
company.
Yeah.
And he's also got a very interesting story. We'll try to get him along as well
Yeah.
for one of the podcasts. But basically, First World Problems was general first world problems that we all
Yeah.
face,
Yeah. Correct,
societal pressure and this. and
Living
that.
in another country, being from another backdrop, and a lot of different things. Yeah.
Yeah.
And in that, Agastya did a piece on Ramayan.
No, I did a piece on
Mahabharat.
Karna from Mahabharat.
Mahabharat. हाँ, मेरा
Yeah.
थोड़ा weak है
Yeah.
mythology.
नहीं. But
तो
yeah.
तो महाभारत के ऊपर he did a very beautiful piece, and I think that is what moved your parents,
Yeah.
because I remember जब we his parents had thrown a surprise birthday party for him, and it was surprise birthday party come farewell party.
Yeah,
I would say,
because I was just leaving to Mumbai
Okay,
in
so
5-6
that was the
days.
time when he was leaving.
he was almost about to leave, and
Yeah.
he didn't know about the party, and that's when
It was a complete surprise. They told me like
Yeah.
I'm shooting a short film with Mustaq and Rishabh, and I was in character like, oh, can you to go perform? And so like surprise, like,
That's good. That's a nice surprise. Huh?
Yeah.
It was I
Really
think it was
sweet of them, yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then at that time, I heard his father talking, and his father was like, I've seen him work hard, and I think it'll not be justified for him to not follow his dream. I think that is an important lesson that parents out there should definitely learn from.
Actually, that's something. I think because strugglers जो है, I think one part is उनको already struggle चल रहा है, and then struggle with the family is on the other hand. So one एक कहीं अगर balance हो गया तो it's really nice, ना?
It helps you focus.
Yeah.
And but from that point, like even from before that, they've always supported me. For example, like even during university where I was trying to do different plays or going for auditions, because I did an ad for The Warehouse as well.
Oh,
It
yes.
aired around New Zealand.
Oh, wow.
So if like, cause like I didn't have my driver's license, so if it was dropping me, picking me up for my classes, even after the
okay.
work and everything that they did. So every small thing, like it's
So now talking about that, so how is the New Zealand industry? Because we all know about Bollywood and this and that. New Zealand industry ka kya scene hai? And how did you get your break? Like, how did you get into the Warehouse ad? What did you do?
So for the Warehouse ad, I joined an agency called Talento. And basically what you have to do is you join an agency, you get a portfolio done, and then you write all your skills, your qualities, your descriptions. And if there's anything which suits that, they send it forward to the casting directors. So casting directors send all the briefs to the agencies, and I just went, I auditioned. They just wanted me to dance. I said, do freestyle, do anything. So I did anything, and they're like, oh, we like you. Then and then I got the ad, which was really fun because in that ad, I knew like one or two of the girls. One of them was actually one of my teachers who taught me dance here.
Oh, wow.
Who they're basically, I was in a group called Dream Catchers Worldwide for about one year. So the leader of that group's called Jasmine. So she was in that ad as well. So I was like,
It's a
small world, yeah.
it was,
small
it was
world.
fun. I was like, I'm doing the steps she taught me in front of her. So that was
Okay.
fun.
So how different is it? Like because you have worked in Indian industry and as well as New Zealand, how different or I don't know. Should I
It's-
ask which is better?
I mean,
But,
they're both interesting. Like over here, obviously
Yeah.
everything's more professional in the sense that there's a starting time, there's a finish time. They give you enough breaks, everything's set out the
I
right
think
way.
Indians उसी में मार खाते हैं.
So when I was
Punctual.
when I was working in Tara from Satara, my first day on set, I rock up on set. This is in Satara, so I drove from Mumbai all the way to Satara.
Oh.
I know,
6
yeah,
hours.
Satara.
Yeah.
वो actual सतारा
We
में
actually
shooting
went
हुआ
to
था.
Satara,
How cool.
and no,
Oh.
everyone speaks Marathi. No one even
Yeah.
speaks Hindi there.
Yeah.
So everyone just looking at me. So I was like, मैंने कुछ किया? No, but then over there, I was like, what's my character? It's Alan. He's the this. And they're like, अच्छा और character क्या? No, इतना काफी है. Then like script मिल जाएगा. When shooting starting? Oh, shooting starting in 1 hour. We'll give you script in a while. So literally 20 minutes before we shot, I got the script in my hand, my first day. And I'm just like, I don't know my character brief. I don't know my dialogues. And they're going to shoot. And there's like 2-3 cameras. And there's like, and you can't mess up because there's a unit of 100 people. And if you mess up, everyone has to like reset everything.
My God.
So that's,
my God.
and it's really fast paced because, there's a lot of money involved. So that's kind of how. It's very
Indian
fast.
is,
Like you
yeah.
need to be on your toes. But over
Correct.
here, they give you time, relax. Are you
Yeah.
good? Like, do you need anything? And then they're like brushing your clothes. They're like doing your makeup for. I mean,
Okay.
over there they do your makeup as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah.
But yeah, it's more like you're more grounded here. Over there it's a
correct.
bit of a hustle. But yeah.
I can also share a personal experience
Yeah.
actually because I've been a struggler all my life. So I have been for a lot of auditions and I've also been on sets like as a back over रहता है ना कि performer हो रहा है लेकिन audience चाहिए.
Yeah.
So I've been so basically there's this there's this movie Shirin
Farhad की निकल पड़ी. Oh, you were in that?
I was in that movie for one of the scenes.
Wow.
जहाँ पे he goes on stage, Baman Irani goes on stage and
Okay,
introduces
I don't
that मैं
remember the movie much,
हाँ
yeah.
अच्छा
Interesting.
Okay. No, because that was a comeback of Farah Khan.
not comeback, first time Farah Khan.
First time था. Okay.
Debut as an actress.
Debut
Debut,
actress. Yeah.
So I was there in that scene and I still remember Sunday को था वो shot वो जो भी shoot था वो and मैंने उसके पहले मैराथन भागा था 20-22 किलोमीटर वाला
20-22?
22 किलोमीटर वाला जो हाफ मैराथन वो भागा था और उसके बाद मैं घर पहुंचा एंड आई हैड टू लीव एट 7 o'clock in the evening, be all night over there and then
Where
return.
was it? It was in Film City, Mehboob Studio?
No, it was in a school at चर्नी रोड या ग्रांट रोड या कहीं तो भी एक
maybe
स्कूल में
मतलब,
या टाउन में
अच्छा,
एक
town
स्कूल
में।
में वो लोग ने सेटअप किया था वो पूरा ऑडिटोरियम को बना दिया था
Okay.
स्टेज वेज करके एंड आई वॉज देयर इन दैट थिंग वो सीन में और बमन ईरानी ऐसे बैठा है वहाँ पे बात कर रहा है तो केम छे सू चालू छे दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग सच अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस सो पूरा नाइट नहीं सोया अगले दिन सुबह आई रीच्ड होम लोकल पकड़ के 6 बजे माहिम आई स्टे इन माहिम में आई वेंट बैक वहाँ पे क्विकली आई हैड अ शावर चेंज्ड एंड वेंट बैक टू वर्क बॉम्बे हाउस क्राइस्ट क्या बोल रहा हूँ चर्च गेट back to Churchgate. So basically, it was like whole 24 hours से ज़्यादा awake, but I enjoyed it because मेरा वो full time thing नहीं था मेरे लिए वो एक experience था.
It's different ना, feeling ही अलग है उसकी.
एंड वहाँ पे ना वो ट्रीट तुमको ऐसे करते हैं कि हाँ तुम्हारा शॉट आएगा अभी बैठो कॉर्नर में ये करो वो करो एकदम ही chill. लेकिन आई एम वेरी एंथुसियास्टिक तो आई विल बी गोइंग एंड वाचिंग के अरे वो लाइट वाला क्या कर रहा है वो क्या कर रहा है
That's so good,
that
you know,
kind of
that's-
thing.
Damn, I don't have any such experiences to share.
And to compare that with I was here at Shortland Street also.
Oh wow. Okay.
Same back.
Okay.
अच्छा.
Not
अच्छा नहीं. होएगा.
है मेरा वीडियो है एक दो सीन में हूँ मैं
अच्छा.
बैक में हाँ
Nice, nice.
तो यहाँ पे इतना ऑर्गेनाइज्ड यार यहाँ पे यू एग्जैक्टली नो कि ये तुम्हारा चेंजिंग रूम है यहाँ पे तुमसे यहाँ पे जाना है
Exactly.
ये टाइमिंग है
Yeah.
फिर लंच के टाइम पे यू गो डाउन एंड यू विल गेट लंच ओवर देयर यू नो एवरीथिंग इज लाइक प्रीटी
It's proper,
ऑर्गेनाइज्ड
I
Yeah.
think उनका एक proper timetable वो लोग follow
बट
करते
इंडिया में
हैं.
भी लंच देते हैं वो लोग
देते हैं पर सोडियम बहुत डाल
Too much technicalities अभी सोडियम बहुत डालता है खाने में.
नहीं मतलब छोटी सी दाल की कटोरी से इतना पेट भर जाता है ना सीन कैसे करेंगे
Oh yeah, right.
yeah नहीं but yeah it is quite a
but it's
tough
definitely
industry I would
but
say.
it is so interesting because the amount I genuinely saying this the amount I got to learn staying in India for 1.5 years genuinely saying I don't think I would be able to learn that much over here for the next 5 years 5-6
Okay.
years
I think that got some sense of maturity क्योंकि वहाँ पे directly when you face the audience as well as वहाँ की public कैसी है
Yeah.
क्या है I think life experiences बहुत मिले होंगे
and
वहाँ
people
पे.
are very vocal they're like
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा है ये ठीक से करना ये तो मैं कर लेता then you know when people say stuff like that because they said it to other actors so
Okay.
I was watching like okay I need to like you
them,
know
yeah.
I need to go and perform well
So, Agastya, now because you've spoken about your time in India. So, what has been like when you were deciding? तो हम जब डिसाइड करते हैं वी थिंक दैट अरे यार इंडिया में जाऊंगा ये करूंगा वो करूंगा और फिर वहां पे जाके रियलिटी एक्सपेक्टेशन वर्सेस
Reality
रियलिटी
check.
तो वो उसका एक कोई इफ यू कैन गिव अस एन एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग एंड व्हाट वाज द रियलिटी लाइक वाज इट सेम डिफरेंट
Okay, so over here, like I thought, okay, because at home we talk in Hindi, right?
Yeah.
So मैंने सोचा my Hindi will be like perfect, like my Hindi is fine. I don't need to work on my Hindi that much. And I felt I knew a lot about the industry and I knew a lot about India because I used to literally do nothing but watch Bollywood movies, their conferences, trailer launch, song launches after coming from school. And then I used to go study. And so I felt like I knew a lot about the industry. But when I went there, like it was just full googly because first of all, everyone, like when I heard them speak, it was so different to me. And I had a very heavy accent in my Hindi. Abhi bhi hai, but like they can make it out that they can make it out
कि
you're not
यहाँ
from
का
there.
नहीं है.
Yeah.
यहाँ का
Then
नहीं है.
and there's a lot of things I didn't know how they function. And basically it was like a culture shock. And I thought that I've lived in India for 9 years since when I was a kid. But it was still a culture shock because the things people find funny, like the things that they relate to, the jokes that they make, the way that they interact, the way that they speak is so different from the way we've been brought up. So like some things which we might think is funny, they don't find that funny and vice versa. So trying to connect and relate to people was a bit very difficult at the start, but I'm lucky because when I landed in India for 3 months, I did a course in Actor Prepares, Anupam Kher's Actor Prepares. So over there, people from all over India came there, from Gujarat, from Lucknow, from like Rajasthan. So I kind of got a glimpse of how it was. And then I just started to speak in Hindi, try to understand where they're coming from. And now I feel like I have a sense of a basic understanding of, you know, how to maybe interact with them compared to how people interact over here. So
Okay.
it's just that culture shock, that accent. Of course, what happens is that if you have an accent, you're going to get stereotyped into certain roles like foreigner and stuff. So because especially the type of cinema that they're making is very like rooted, like कानपुर में जाके shooting कर ली,
Yeah.
कोई गांव में जाके कर ली, तो you need to make sure that your Hindi is
Is
perfect.
proper.
Like you have to
Yeah.
work on your enunciations of every like th, ढ.
गाइस मैं इसलिए बता रही थी
everything.
पॉडकास्ट हिंदी में कर लो.
But yeah, so that's the kind of challenges like faced initially.
तो एक और चैलेंज यूजुअली हम लोग फेस करते हैं, वो है डिड यू यूज रिक्शा इन मुंबई?
Oh my.
एंड एक मिनट, रिक्शा से तो मेरा पॉकेट खाली होता था सबसे पहले.
You know,
like,
at the start, no rickshaw used to stop for me. Cause like, भैया, no one used to stop. वो शक्ल देख के अब एक साल बाद ऐसा समय आया कि मेरे को लेट हो रहा है, रिक्शा में चलती रिक्शा में भाग गया अंदर. वो रिक्शा थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि क्या होता है जब आप रिक्शा वाले को देखते हो ना, उनकी शक्ल देख के पता चल जाता है वो
वो
तुम्हें
मना
छोड़ेंगे या
करने
नहीं
वाला है.
छोड़ेंगे. तो मुझे पता था नहीं छोड़ने वाला, और मुझे जाना था क्योंकि मैं था ये इन्फिनिटी मॉल वाली रोड, एसवी रोड है ना
हाँ,
वो.
SV रोड,
तो एसवी
yeah.
रोड पे मैं खड़ा था, मेरे को जल्दी से पहुंचना था घर, मेरे का काम था. वो नहीं रुकने वाला था, उसने थोड़ा सा धीरे किया क्योंकि वो पूछते हैं कहाँ जाना है, क्योंकि उनको लंबा भाड़ा चाहिए, उनको लंबा जाना है कि उनको ज्यादा पैसा मिले. तो वो धीरे हुए, मेरे को पता है नहीं छोड़ेगा, मैं कूद के भाग गया अंदर.
We have
पहले
got a
निकल गया,
hack.
नहीं निकल, मुझे जाना है, मेरे को ये है, नहीं निकल. फिर उस छोड़ दिया उसने.
आई थिंक दैट इज द कल्चर शॉक, क्योंकि हमारे लिए और ये आई थिंक देविका ऑल्सो कैन वॉच फॉर इट, हम लोग जब भी इंडिया से यहाँ पे आए, हमारे लिए रिवर्स था. लाइक हमारे लिए ये था कि अरे हर बात पे सॉरी और हर बात पे थैंक यू क्यों बोल रहा है, मतलब बिग डील यार, और कर लेना प्लीज कौन बोलता है, कर लेना. तो बेसिकली हमारे लिए वो एक अलग था. इंडिया में इनफैक्ट अगर
Opposite.
तुमने ज्यादा प्लीज बोल दिया और ज्यादा थैंक यू बोल दिया तो
लोग बोलेंगे,
फायदा उठाएंगे.
बटरिंग कर रहे
नहीं
हैं ऐसे
नहीं
कुछ.
कि तू मेरे को थैंक यू सार्केस्टिकली बोल रहे
हाँ, वो भी
हैं,
है.
ऐसा होता है यूजुअली.
हाँ
Exactly.
नहीं, करेक्ट
So,
करेक्ट, बिकॉज बट ही हैज फाउंड अ हैक कि रिक्शा में कैसे जानेगा.
हाँ,
नहीं, but it doesn't always work. Huh? I got lucky.
you can't mess with the rickshaw वाला.
नहीं रिक्शा वाला.
हाँ यार, seriously.
स्पेशली किस एरिया में हो, जैसे अगर तुम खार
यार.
बैंड्रा में, इट्स ओके, बट इफ यू आर
But
इन लाइक
even-
गेटी गैलेक्सी के पास ना,
यार गेटी गैलेक्सी, मतलब मैं जब कभी कभी वो बैंड्रा स्टेशन से भी अगर मेरे को कहीं जाना, तो इवन इफ दूर का बड़ा तभी भी मना करते थे.
So guys, I'll tell you one hack.
I know what are you gonna say it, but it's okay. Say
क्योंकि
it.
उनको क्या होता है, उनको एक सर्टेन रास्ता होता है, क्योंकि उनका घर कहीं होता है,
Yeah.
उनको लगता है घर के जाते जाते कोई रास्ते में बंदे को छोड़ दूं तो.
Yeah, ऐसे
No,
होता
but I stay in Mahim, you know, so there's no rickshaw का tension हमारे यहाँ पे. हमारे यहाँ पे टैक्सी
है. First
जाती
of all,
है.
you're not
Taxi,
South
oh.
Bombay, okay?
South
अरे,
Bombay.
माहिम is South Bombay.
माहिम इज नॉट साउथ. सी मैंने जो ये रिसेंटली एक आर्टिकल भी भेजा था कि माहिम इज ओके, वहाँ पे टैक्सीज चलती है, बट इट
Exactly.
इज आउट ऑफ साउथ बॉम्बे नाउ.
It is South Bombay.
It is Western.
टैक्सी चलती है माहिम में, South Bombay,
तो
right?
बड़े जोक्स आ रहे, बट अभी बोलूंगा नहीं South Bombay का.
अरे नहीं बोलना.
So वो
it's
नहीं,
okay.
मैं उसमें I'm not South Bombay, मैं बहुत गाउठी बॉम्बे है. लेकिन तो now there's one very important thing that देविका ने ये बनाया, guys, बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत
की
की
बात
उसने.
मेहनत बनाया की
तो
मैंने.
क्यू कार्ड दिया है आज उसने. तो नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अबाउट ग्रूमिंग प्रोसेस. यूजुअली व्हेन वी आर फॉलोइंग द पैशन, काफ़ी बार ऐसा टाइम आता है जहाँ पे ऐसा लगता है कि इज इट वर्किंग आउट, इज इट नॉट वर्किंग आउट, यू नो, एम आई डूइंग द राइट थिंग. एंड देन एट दैट टाइम टू एंगेज योर सेल्फ इन अपस्किलिंग इट, वो यू नो वो एक माइंडसेट नहीं होता है, क्योंकि ऐसा लगता है कि अरे यार यही नहीं चल रहा है और क्या भी करूँ. You know, that kind of a thing. Did you encounter something of that sort? And how did you beat it? Because I know that you have engaged in a lot of development for your personal, physical health.
So the thing is ki I feel this is a problem that everyone has. I did this initially as well. We don't focus enough on improving our craft. We focus too much on trying to put ourselves out there, trying to market ourselves, trying to sell ourselves, right? So we're always going out there. Like I did this initially for a good 6 months, going out there, auditioning, like trying to like go at different places and see TV ke auditions ka hai, ads ke kahan hai, how can I like, you know, get a foot in the door. But at the end of the day, na, like the only thing that is in your hand is to work on yourself, work on your craft. And so what happens in Mumbai is, for ads, you go and audition regularly. For web series, once in a while they call you. For films, you have to basically go. There are a few casting directors where you have to go and give an introduction video. And if you fit the brief, they'll call you for an audition. So after a while, there's not much you can do because once you've already gone out there. So you should spend that time working on yourself. So, for example, what I did was acting. Acting is number one. Nothing is like, like above acting. So I joined like another course.
Oh, you did one more course.
Yeah, which was actually, because what happens is that when जब हम यहाँ से देखते हैं ना, हमारे पास 2-3 नाम होते हैं कौन से बेस्ट है कोर्सेज. बट व्हेन यू गो टू इंडिया एंड यू लाइक थोड़ा सा जाते हो, ढूंढते हो चीज़ों को, देन यू अंडरस्टैंड कि इंडस्ट्री के अंदर व्हाट आर द मोस्ट more prominent and important people who kind of teach. So there's this place called Waveyard Monk, which is run by someone called Prashant Singh. I really look up to him. He's like I think I did a course with him for, it was 8 days, but the amount I got to learn was so much from that. It kind of changed my entire perspective. So doing an acting course, then constantly dancing. So dancing means not just dancing, but like working on your expressions, working on performing, like not to just dance, but how to dance in different characters. Like say if you're playing like a village guy, if you're playing like a rowdy guy, if you're playing, so character
Wow,
mein kaise, how,
right.
so a very good example is Ranveer Singh, I feel. Ranveer Singh dances in character. Now, if you look at how he dances in, let's say, Nashe Se Chad Gayi Hoy, it's a very urban NRI kind of, feel. But if you see him as Simba, he's not dancing as Ranveer Singh, he's dancing as Simba, he's dancing
guy,
as a
yeah,
Maharashtrian
yeah.
cop, you know? So understanding how to dance in character with your expressions and how to perform. And if you're dancing with a partner, how to build chemistry, not just looking at the camera, looking at your partner, building that equation with them and performing, because that's very important. And basically, as many skills as you can get is just a bonus. Like, I really wanted to learn martial arts and gymnastics because I felt I've been dancing for 10 years, so I can go towards that more easily. But I also wanted to, you can learn how to sing, play the guitar, all that. But these are all add-ons, and all these different arts will help you learn about your craft more of acting. But at the end of the day, do theater, join, like do scene work at home, find some friends, work on a scene over a week and just do it. Another way you can work on acting is you should read a lot of books. Like I've started to read. I read a bit of Shakespeare here and there. I really like Shakespeare. But reading is it teaches you a lot and it also opens up your imagination.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Watching good web series and just
I think as an actor, one of the most important skills that you can have is to be a good observer.
Yeah.
Because it's all about observing.
Yeah.
Like usually मैंने ऐसे interviews देखे थे, तुम कोई भी एक्टर को पूछ लो कि बमन ईरानी का मैंने इंटरव्यू देखा है, उसमें उसने बोला कि उसके हर एक एक्टर का इंस्पिरेशन इज फ्रॉम अनदर पर्सन दैट ही इज मेट समवेयर इन लाइफ.
Yeah.
And he relates that, he tries to be that person and do the role.
That's so
Yeah.
true. I even heard, I watched an interview with Govinda. I think he's saying about Coolie number 1. He's playing a character. He saw some guy at the party like talking like, "Hey, tu kya kar raha hai?" And then he picked that up into his character. So yeah, observing is
very,
very
yeah.
crucial.
Correct.
Body language, where they're from, how they're sitting. Yeah.
So grooming के साथ साथ observation is also very important
Yeah.
because looking at the courses he has done, the dance का तो चलता ही रहता है, right?
Dance तो चलता ही रहता है
तो I think it's all a mixture of everything.
Yeah.
इसलिए वो struggle जो है, it's really hard यार. I can imagine. That's why I'm not an
But I
actor
think
today.
वही मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि for someone like you who's passionate about it, is it a struggle or is it your day of, like, मतलब day in a life, like,
No,
kind
it's,
of a
it's
thing?
no struggle because I know, like, eventually, because this is what I love to do. This is a passion. When you're so passionate about something, like hard work, persistence, all this just comes naturally. You don't have to try to, like, you don't have to try to work hard, try to
Correct.
focus. That
Yeah.
all comes when you're passionate about
Yeah.
something. You just have to work.
Yeah. So has it happened to you anytime, like you've given auditions and everything, but by the end of the day, have you hit that frustration level कि नहीं यार अब नहीं करना है? कभी हुआ है ऐसा?
Well, obviously happens to everyone. But
Yeah.
there were a lot of instances and times where I felt like, like what's the point? Like I've tried everything. I reached like how will I get back up and do it? But that's the time you need to take a break, because you got to understand that not everything is in your hands, because the type of industry this is that you can work on yourself. And if they like you, they'll call you. And from what I've learned, if you're talented, if you have what it takes, you need a little bit of patience, but it does happen. You will get that opportunity. You just have to wait for it. But that's not in your control. So
Correct.
rather than letting your mind chatter and make you think things and trying to delve into and analyze things and try to then
Channelize
protect
your energy.
Just put your mind aside and just
Yeah.
focus on what's important. And I know that even if anything doesn't work out, if it doesn't happen, I can always come back here and do what I'm doing right now.
Yeah.
You know?
Correct.
So yeah, it's fine. Like it wasn't like
Nice.
Yeah.
Now I want to dive into something very interesting, more interesting, because अक्सर लोग कहते हैं
अक्सर
और
लोग
ये
कहते हैं,
इंग्लिश से
शाहरुख-
एकदम हिंदी।
I know, और वो भी
अक्सर
pure
लोग कहते
हिंदी
हैं।
यार।
अक्सर
Wow.
लोग कहते हैं कि मेरे को अक्सर लोग कहते हैं कि यार तू तो ये कर रहा है, रेडियो कर रहा है, थिएटर कर रहा है, ये सब कर रहा है और तू फिर भी सिंगल है। ऐसा मुझे कहते हैं अक्सर लोग। और मतलब यू तो मीट सो मेनी पीपल एंड यू नो सो मेनी पीपल, यू आर स्टिल सिंगल, सो व्हाट इज योर स्टेटस? नो
You meet so many people, you're still single.
नहीं, ऐसा मुझे लोग कहते हैं।
ऐसा लोग कहते हैं।
हाँ, तो
Film dialogue.
तेरा क्या सीन है? आर यू सिंगल?
मेरा, I'm single.
यू आर
I'm
सिंगल।
single,
सो
yeah.
ये ऐसे कैसे, मतलब ऐसे कैसे?
ऐसे कैसे? See, there's so much to do. I don't have you don't really get time to.
मैं भी यही बहाना देता
No,
हूँ।
you don't. You don't. Because if you're working on yourself, you're doing your work and everything. But other than that, like my cousin told me this really good thing because I was talking on this topic with her and she said that, when you look for something, it never happens. But when you stop looking and if you're not really like trying, that's when things click.
वो कर रहा हूँ मैं try।
It happens it happens unexpectedly, bro. So keep working on yourself. Don't try to.
Yeah,
If it happens,
exactly.
it happens. Like मैं मर नहीं रहा.
लाल क्यों हो रहा है? Isn't he turning red?
नहीं, I'm because you're saying that I can imagine you're saying that because you're right now 24, 25,
24, yeah.
24, right?
आके थोड़ा डांस सीख लो फिर क्लब में जाके.
जब भी आप 31 होंगे ना तभी ये करो try।
I'm sure you're not. You've had
What?
relationships.
Yeah, obviously.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो आप मुझे बताओ ना, आप हमें
क्या
बताइए.
मैं तो बताता हूँ आपको, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि डोंट से कि यार अभी टाइम नहीं है, अभी ये सब कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि टाइम ऐसे चले जाएगा ब्रो, जो है अभी है, यू नो,
है।
मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट।
अभी जो है हाथ में जो है उसको पकड़ लो ऐसे।
नहीं वैसे नहीं, मतलब लाइक यू नो कीप लुकिंग फॉर
Keep looking.
Keep
Looking क्या है?
अरे
होता है ना, you can't look for something. It just happens.
so what is your dream person, like characteristics for your dream
हे
person?
भगवान.
यार ये मैट्रिमोनियल नहीं चल रहा है किसी का।
वो ऐड आता है ना YouTube में, hi I'm a very formal,
हाँ
a very
ना।
liberal
I want a
parent from a very
flexible girl.
flexible. Oh,
That's Indian
That
matchmaking.
I know, but it's not even Indian. जो YouTube पे वो आते थे
the
ना,
husband
छोटे-छोटे-
shouldn't call me Dolly, baby, Sonu. Yeah.
नहीं तो no, I just wanted to know कि like you know काम वाम तो चलो हो रहा है, पैशन भी फॉलो हो रहा है, बट लव लाइफ का क्या सीन, मतलब ऐसे कुछ कोई
अभी तो मेरे को यात्रा से ही लव है, क्योंकि अब यात्रा में मेरे इतना कुछ करना है ना मेरे को, अभी मैं और कुछ नहीं सोच रहा हूँ.
yeah, because you've spoken about यात्रा, let's get into
Yeah.
यात्रा now. तो यात्रा जो हमने प्रयास
क्या
के बारे
डॉज
में
मारा ना मैंने.
I know,
I know
right?
यार,
मेरे को
seriously.
सिर्फ यात्रा से प्यार है.
चलो ऑफ कैमरा बात करेंगे इसके बारे
हाँ, off
में।
camera.
हाँ, नहीं वो ब्लश कर रहा है तो मैं समझ गया कि यार ब्रो इसके ऊपर नहीं बात करनी कैमरा पे। हाँ तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट यात्रा। सो यू केम हियर जब ये लॉकडाउन ऑलमोस्ट हो गया था यहाँ पे शुरू, या
उससे पहले.
Just उससे पहले।
2-3
तो-
days पहले आया था ना।
Yeah.
and you got into this project Yatra, and then lockdown हो गया उसके बाद,
Yeah.
and then there's been Zoom practices and all those things. So take us through how that experience has been for you.
From the lockdown to yatra.
Yeah,
The
like how was
lockdown-
the practices and
Okay. So I was here in lockdown. I thought theater क्यों होगा कुछ, and then Rishabh found out that I was here, and then he messaged me and saying like, what are you doing? There's something happening with Prayas. Do you want to be a part of it? I was like, yeah, I'd love to. He's like, message Ahi. I messaged Ahi, and they called me through. They're like, okay, there's a role in for Amit Das play Keats was a tuba, where you have to play Ramanan, who's a
Yeah.
ज़्यादा बताना नहीं, he's like
I don't think so. We should tell ज़्यादा
हाँ,
उसमें.
नहीं.
But basically, Yatra is a play with
It's a-
eight different stories in
Yeah.
inside.
about Indian stories,
Indian
and it's
stories.
doing one scene from each play and kind of merging it together in a very
Yeah.
synchronized way. So yeah, I got like 2 or 3 like really cool roles.
Yeah.
One is with me and Raj, and Aman's directing. It's called Guards at the Taj. One's Keats with a tuba
Yeah,
with
where we
the
all
one
three
and
are
only
doing it together.
and and also part of
Harlesden
Harlesden High Street and
Yeah.
the ensemble.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been so fun. I'm learning so much because I feel this time the characters that I've gotten are very like. Not only are they like in different spectrums, but I think they have a lot of depth and
Yeah.
they're very
Yeah.
challenging in a way. So
Yeah.
I'm loving
Honestly
it.
speaking, like about Prayas, like I think I saw you guys. Sorry, I saw you guys in Dara, and then I saw First
you
World.
came to watch Dara.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
came to watch Dara. I came to watch First World Problems. To do second वाला भी. And from that time I was like, नहीं मुझे प्रयास में एक बार तो आना है. And this was the time like मैं audition के लिए गई and I got selected. Like, yes, I am finally a part of Prayas.
Audition भी बहुत interesting था इसका. Yeah. So
ये बड़ा अच्छा था
for
audition,
audition,
yeah.
यहाँ पे audition ऐसे होता है, we get different scripts और बहुत डेंजर स्क्रिप्ट होती है. अपने को याद है लास्ट टाइम का स्क्रिप्ट मिला था दारा के टाइम
दारा
पे,
का वो जो
वो pounced on this
Pounced
and-
on Tiger. There
हाँ,
was a
हाँ,
tiger.
वो
Remember
वाला.
Aurangzeb? There's
वो और वो हमको टेंशन होता है क्योंकि 1-2 हफ्ते पहले स्क्रिप्ट मिल जाता है, काफी टाइम पहले मिल जाता है स्क्रिप्ट और वो टेंशन हो जाता है कि अभी उसको लर्न करना है. वो एक तो इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती है और उसको लर्न करना है बैठ के. तो इस बार दिस टाइम आल्सो वी गॉट लाइक मल्टीपल स्क्रिप्ट्स, उसमें से एक कोई चूज करके वी हैड टू लर्न. मैंने
So you could choose which one you wanted.
We could
to
choose.
learn.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो
अरे
मैंने
वाह.
सबसे छोटी स्क्रिप्ट चूज की थी.
एंड आई हैड डिसाइडेड वन स्क्रिप्ट, आई रिमेंबर. फिर मैंने देखा ऑडिशन में सब साथ में बैठे थे और 60 लोग आए थे, 60-70 people had
60,
come.
70?
Yeah, there
I
was
think
lot
more than that,
and
yeah.
that was just one batch.
One batch.
There was another batch also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in that I saw people doing like that one bit and I'm like अरे यार ये लोग तो कर रहे हैं अच्छा. मैं दूसरा करूंगा. मैंने वो moment
Competition eliminate.
मैंने वो मोमेंट पे दूसरा स्क्रिप्ट लिया. मैं बोला नहीं, दिस इज मोर नेचुरल. और रिपोर्टर का एक था, मैं बोला नहीं, दिस इज मोर नेचुरल फॉर मी. आई थिंक आई विल बी एबल टू डू द रिपोर्टर वाला bit.
But I feel Prayas is so warm and open. Like, cause I feel, because when I was initially doing theatre as well, it was very hard to me to get into a play, cause I'm someone of color. So like, it's because most of the roles were written for Caucasian people, and and even if there was Indian roles, it was very stereotypical. You know what I mean, like Apu
Yeah.
from The Simpsons. So it was hard to like grab a role. And Sandy recommended me for a play, which was for Pride Festival, with Ravi. Do you know Ravi?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
उसने रीडिंग किया था. Ravi is that same guy, right?
Yeah,
Who
yeah,
did the
yeah.
reading for वो कौन सा play
with the
था?
long hair.
हाँ, yes.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Yes, I know him.
So my first play ever in New Zealand was in Auckland was with him and Cat Glass director.
He's
But it was
a
all because of
fabulous
Sandy.
actor, yeah.
Brilliant.
Ravi.
I learned
Yeah.
so much, and it was all because of Sandy, And I'm so grateful for her, for recommending me. And from there, started to do Comedy of Errors, Dara. So I think Prayas has been so warm and open, and I'm so happy that they give opportunities to people of color to perform and do, because before Prayas, I don't think it was happening much, but now because of Prayas, more like I think they
I
have
think
kind of
more theatre
changed the
groups have
game. Like
come,
more
yeah.
people, more Indians or Asians, Chinese people, more people are getting more opportunities to do theatre, and there are more characters being written. And I feel like Prayas has a big part to play in that.
And I think, and that's the reason why they've completed 15 years. It's
Yeah.
their 15 years anniversary,
Oh,
and
yes.
it's the biggest Asian
Yeah.
theatre
Yeah.
group
Yeah.
till
Correct.
currently. So yeah, I think great experiences together, and
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of other things also that we need to talk upon and catch up on, and hopefully next time when you come over, we'll talk about your love life as well.
If there are any updates, I'll let you know.
Yeah, definitely. And if you need any helps, tips, guides, don't contact me. I suck. No, but thank you so much, Agastya, for being here.
Thank you for having me.
And being a part of this podcast.
Yeah. So अभी जो प्रयास आने वाला है. So when is it coming? Can we tell it?
Oh, yeah, sure.
1st
yeah.
October to 10th October.
Yeah, so it's a 10 days total हम लोग का प्लान है where आपको मिल जाएगी
एक दिन ही प्ले है, एक दिन ही प्ले है, 10 दिन नहीं है, उसके 10 दिन में से एक दिन में आ जाना.
No, but that's what I want
Yeah.
to tell you all is that this play is happening from 1st October to 10th October. We've put in a lot of hard work, a lot of effort.
Yeah.
However, due to COVID-19, there's going to be limited seats. I don't
Yeah.
know. I
So-
hope the levels get
Yeah.
lifted and we are full
So
capacity.
you better book
hopefully.
the tickets as soon as possible before.
इतनी घाई हो रही है इसको मतलब हाँ उधर ही जा रहा था मैं yeah so better book your tickets as soon as possible and yeah come and watch us yeah well it's a great feeling
रुजबे ने फाड़ दिया है.
नहीं,
रुजबे
यार.
killed it. Watch his performance. मतलब मैं I'm standing there watching him in the scene का भाई थोड़ा सा
ये ज्यादा हो गया है but
No, you're doing good, yeah. You're doing
Good.
good.
Damini you're also
He's
doing
doing
yeah?
good na.
He is doing
Ah,
good, yes. He
thanks.
is doing good.
Thanks guys please do come and watch
Do watch.
okay तो बस इसी बात पे I think
Yeah.
that's our first episode of the passionate
series and with a guest also. Like Puri Bheki
Okay.
Baatein mein, he's the first guest.
before we sign off, I just want to say, so Agastya, how do people get in touch with you? You know, you've got amazing stories, amazing life lessons that
Social
you've learned.
media and
How do they
also-
get in touch with you?
Okay, so to get in touch with me, you can follow me on Instagram. So my handle is @Agastya_Chandra.
Can you spell them because your name is difficult?
Okay. Yeah, it is quite difficult. It's AGUSTYACHANDRA. And I've also got a YouTube channel and a Facebook page, and all the links are from Instagram. You can search me up on the respected platforms as well.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Get in touch with Devika as well. Her Instagram handle is.
Thank you for eating my dialogue.
You were like, thank you. और रुक गई.
मैंने ऐसे नहीं बोला. I said awesome. I said awesome for his. Okay. So my Instagram handle is DEVICA9 and मुझे Facebook पे ऐड मत करना.
और मेरा Instagram handle है Auckland_ka_bay.
Can you spell it?
Auckland का बे रुजबे. ये हमने दिया था ना ये, मैं और ऋषभ ने.
नहीं मैं
इनाम.
मेरा था वो
ओ,
रेडियो पे बजता था वो
बजता
तुम
था
लोग
वो.
वहां से चिढ़ाए मतलब
अच्छा.
वो बोलने लग गए हाँ. तो हाँ ऑकलैंड AUCKLAND मैं जब भी LAND बोलता हूँ ना मेरे को पता नहीं मन में कोई और ही _KA_BAE मतलब बिफोर एनीवन एल्स नॉट कैबे ओके इट इज बे
बे Auckland का बे.
Okay.
but
Bay.
also you can go and follow Bheki Baatein @BhekiBaatein on Instagram YouTube
Yes.
और इंस्पायर मीडिया वर्क्स को भी आप जाके फेसबुक पे इंस्टाग्राम पे और यूट्यूब पे फॉलो कर सकते हो बहुत अमेजिंग वीडियोस बनाते हैं और उनके कलाकारी आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हो और अगर इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट योर बिजनेस वीडियो गेट इन टच विद देम
डेफिनेटली सो वी आर साइनिंग ऑफ हियर और हम लोग का ना एक तरीका होता है बाय बोलने का सो मैं और उसमें पहले बोलेंगे उसके बाद में तू बोल
नहीं तो अरे बस वो बाय को ना एक्सटेंड करना है ऐसा सुर देना
प्यार से बोलना है सुर में ओके
सुर में.
हाँ
तो
फिर तो
नहीं,
गया.
सुर में नहीं प्यार से
प्यार से.
ऐसा फील आ ऐसे बाय ऐसा ठीक है
ऐसा नहीं बाय
Bye ऐसे के.
सेम है
ओके ओके चल
One,
1 2 3 बाय